Hello and good morning to our beautiful YouTube family. Merry Christmas and wish you all a very happy new year ahead.
Happy Christmas, Merry Christmas, and a very Happy New Year to all of you. And
Today we are here with great news for you.
With so many requirements for civil engineers, for HVAC. Actually, we are here with walk-in interview, which you have tomorrow in Dubai location.
Yes, UAE, Dubai.
So before this, as we always tell you, we don't have any direct contact with company or HR. So do not forget to verify the company details.
Here we go. The company name
is Imdaad. 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 Let's talk about the company first.
Imdaad Group has so many sectors. Their solutions are
they are into
facilities management, environmental solutions, Imtidad, Fars, Isnad, Humpro, Vision Safety, and Nigma, Imdad Al Batina.
And they are into healthcare, education, finance,
entities, industrial sector, leisure and hospitality, retail market, and the commercial and mixed utilities and residential projects.
They have so many ongoing projects. You can see on their website, it's completely visible there. And their website is www.imdaad.ae, and
it's double A.
It's double A. And here in their website itself, they mentioned about the requirements walk-in, which is tomorrow on 26th of December 2020, Saturday. So
it's a golden opportunity. Please do use it, and if you don't need it, forward it to the relevant people.
So others can also get job. So let's talk about the walk-in first.
Posted on 21st December 2020, Dubai-based full-time job. It says walk-in interview is available for the following post: AC, HVAC chiller technician. Second is electromechanical technicians. Third, MEP or multi-technician. Next is BMS operator. Another one is civil technician, carpenter, electrician, plumber, painter, and mason. Following are the notes for all the requirements. Candidates with GCC UAE experience will be highly preferred, so preference will be given to them. Facilities management experience will be preferred. Only immediate joiners will be entertained, so they need this join all the positions they need immediately. Candidates on visit visa or cancel visa. Applicant must come with copy of their CV, of course, and colored passport and one passport size photo, white background. Interview time is 10 a.m. in the morning till 3 p.m. afternoon. So that's the time window for walk-in interview, 10 a.m. morning to 3 p.m. Location is Imdaad Manzali Camp, and Google Map you can see Imdaad, IMDAAD, Imdaad Manzil, Manzali, Camp. So Imdaad Manzali Camp in Google Map you can see. The date is 26th December 2020, Saturday, which is tomorrow.
So we can, for your comfort, for your just to clear the things, we are just repeating the requirements. So
AC, HVAC, chiller technician, electromechanical.
The second one is
electromechanical technician. Third, MEP multi-technician. Fourth, BMS operator. Fifth, civil technician. Sixth, carpenter. Seventh, electrician. And eighth, plumber. Ninth, painter. And 10th is mason.
And if you are there in Dubai or UAE location on visit visa or cancel visa, you can also go.
It's a golden opportunity. Go and use it.
And if you are not looking for a job, if these requirements are useless for you, please do share those requirements with others, so that at least others also can get jobs. And the next thing we want to tell you,
and second very important topic for today's video is
about the requirement posting.
yes.
As in our last live chat, if you remember,
It was a very long live session.
yeah, 1 hour,
Around 1
half hour we were live, and so many people were asking us to make the group in
Social media, websites
WhatsApp,
like,
Telegram,
yeah,
Facebook,
WhatsApp,
or
Facebook,
Instagram. But as you all know, we have family and so many other things to do, so we cannot give 24/7 here. But again, we got the solution for these things.
And you might have heard that there is a portal, blogging portal available on the YouTube channel itself.
YouTube
But
stuff.
for that you need to subscribe the channel. That's the thing. Otherwise you will not be able to see that. There is a tab. There is a button, or there is a tab in YouTube itself. If you open the channel, you see the home tab, then you see the videos, playlist, and community, channel, and about us. So the community tab is all about the post, where you can do the post. And for your kind information, this tab is not common. It's not available for all the YouTubers. For the YouTubers which have more than 1,000 subscribers, they only can avail this facility. And for God blessings and your support, we received this. Currently we have more than 2,000 subscribers and followers, so thank you for that. And we have this
So finally we got the community tab, and where we already started posting our jobs requirements. As all the requirements, we cannot come in front of the camera and explain you, but on the same time we want to share these requirements for you. As we know, you people are really looking for a job and struggling, and some people are on visit visa on Dubai and Qatar and so many places.
Due to this COVID-19, so many people are suffering.
And if you are following us, it's our responsibility to share maximum requirements with you people, and we are trying our best. So we have already started the requirement posting in our community tabs, and many of you don't know about it. So we just wanted to inform you. As if you check our community tab, we have posted already about
Some electrical requirements
and
related to
Saudi requirements, and
for Saudi.
for UAE requirements for HSC officers, HSC engineers, for
3 days back there was
driver.
it is UAE based, yes, driver requirement. So you will see there are more than 10 blogs or requirements, different kind of we posted for different countries and profiles. और अगला टॉपिक हमारे आज के वीडियो का है
लास्ट जब हम लोग लाइव आए थे, so many people were asking us that you are uploading videos but we are not getting notification. So
Yes.
now we want to talk on that topic too.
Yes. So this is a very simple process. You will not get any notification or for the video or community post if you did not subscribe the channel. So very first requirement is you need to subscribe the channel. And second thing, because these requirements are very recent and for very limited time, so you need to press the bell icon. If you have pressed bell icon, then you will get the notification immediately. So whenever we post the video or blog anything, immediately the notification will come to you. If you have YouTube,
Very simple process.
Yeah,
It's not very big. We will try
application
to show you.
or whatever you have online, however you are operating.
We are trying to explain you so much thing we understand, and sometimes it is like the video is getting really lengthy, but the main purpose behind it to get the right information on time, because after few days it will be useless.
Yes,
Because these requirements, let's say tomorrow if they get the right candidate,
it's not a food recipe that you will remember. You can use anytime. It is a requirement based video. It is for requirement, and
Job
requirements
based.
are for very short time, limited time. You need to know immediately. The information should reach you directly, and for that you need to press the bell icon. And if you have done this, it's good. If you have still not done, please do it. so that immediately you will get the information of the video or community post. All the information will straightforward will come to you immediately. Whenever we post the video, it will tell you this channel has posted the video. Go and watch it.
Okay, the last queries, as I remember, there were so many queries actually about freshers. You know, even we are getting every day so many messages about freshers that try to find some jobs and many things.
So another topic we are covering today is freshers queries. Lots of freshers, they are commenting, sending messages, asking for jobs. Even some of them are 10th pass, 12th pass students, you know. So for them we would say that at least you complete your graduation, get some experience, and then you try for jobs. And for freshers, we suggest you to keep applying, don't stop applying, because sometimes freshers are also required, but most of the companies prefer employees with some experience. So continue this process of applying for the jobs, but at the same time get some experience that will add a lot of value to get the employment. And this is the very, very important thing, to get some experience. As I said, most of the companies, they prefer employees with some experience because they are paying, right? They need some output. They are not the institutes. They are paying, they expect some output, and you will be able to give output if you know about the job. That's called experience. So please learn things related to your profile, and then you opt for jobs. As I said, don't stop applying, keep applying. Some companies prefer graduate engineer trainees, or they provide on-job training. They provide very less salary though, but they prefer freshers also. So keep applying. Good luck for the freshers and students. Another thing we would like to catch up is current pandemic situation. COVID-19 and now 20 also has come. Due to this, most of the countries have sealed their borders,
Including Oman.
yes, but the very good news is we are receiving vaccine. Oman has already first vaccine received today, I believe.
That's
and
right.
other countries will get as soon as possible, I believe. And
Hope everything will be fine soon.
yes, this
But
is
the
what we
condition
feel.
now is not good. We want to explain you. We are continuously reading news, Gulf news and Oman news and all Dubai and Qatar news. If you are active, you know about it for sure. If you are not, please read about it
Just
also.
read in Google, you will get all the updates.
So for a week or so, borders are sealed.
Yeah. So wherever you are, stay safe.
Stay safe. Take care of yourself
yourself and,
and
family.
family.
And don't stop applying and working hard wherever you are. Stay safe and keep trying.
And we are also trying to post maximum requirements for you.
Yes,
Some Qatar, and now we are trying to cover Oman and Saudi requirements.
all the GCC countries.
All the GCCs actually we want to,
and
but due
most
to
of the profiles
less
we are
of
covering.
time and time issues, it's really
Yes.
difficult for us to be that active. And since last week we were not uploading the videos, but next week we'll inshallah will surely.
Surely we will post more requirements, more videos related to the Gulf jobs, and we'll try to support as much as possible.
So stay tuned.
Keep watching the
Keep
videos.
watching, and please
good
do not
luck.
forget to likes. Even if we are as just now we told you, we are posting the video requirements on community tab, so please go there and like the requirements,
Like,
so
comment.
that at least we know that you are watching it. We are giving time, we are giving energy, we are working hard for you.
Yes, so please watch the videos and read the community post. So
And
at
apply,
least-
keep applying for jobs.
Yeah,
We'll
yeah,
surely
please,
get
please,
some
please.
nice.
This is for your benefit.
you
This
know.
is for your benefit. So whoever are the job seekers, needy people, get benefited, and wish you all the best. Again, we wish you Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Take
Have a
care.
nice time. Take care.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.